Hey folks, in this video I want to present to you my electric bike. This is already part 10 of the project. Here you can see the motorcycle, which is nearly finished. Currently I'm building the project with 4 LED cells, but later on I will change to lithium, iron phosphate or something else. I still have to pass the German Technical Control Board, so-called TÜV. The motorcycle is based on a BMW K75 bike. The frame has enough space to put all the batteries inside. As an homage to the cubism, the tank cover has some sort of cubistic style. Clearly the colors will be changed to some sort of silver or gold, I'm not sure now. All electric stuff is running fine. A DC-DC converter creates the 12 volts for all the lights and electric issues. Here's a speed up test to about 70 miles per hour or something about 110 kilometers per hour. Okay, folks, that's all for the moment. Thanks for your attention. Please subscribe my channel. More videos will follow.